Okay, so here's the latest project. This is something I would rarely do in the beginning of collecting Lionel stuff and train stuff. Is I'm gonna make this work for me. It's a nice unit. It's a Marx circuit breaker. It's gigantic. It takes up, as you can see, it next to a 736 engine. It's a good size. So there's no way to bolt it down to the layout. So I'm gonna drill a couple of screws right in the base of this. I don't care. It's a couple of screw holes, I should say. Okay, so let's start with the back side, if we can call it the back side. Let me see if my little rechargeable handheld thing will work here. So I secure the Marx circuit breaker unit to my control board, and as you can see, it just barely fits between these two terminals. So that's okay. That's a good fit. And now what I'm going to do is, this is the outer track, the outer main line, and it only has one power wire coming out of the back of the transformer, right down here, right down there. And so that wire now is going to go to one of the terminals of the Marx circuit breaker, and then the other rest of it, I'll have to get another wire and then hook it up to the left-hand connection onto my power strip, and that provides power to all the different sections of the main line of track, the outer loop. Okay, let me get some wire. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is take this wire off this power strip. Probably should have got a shorter screwdriver, but I got it. One thing I've learned is it's always best to turn the main power off to everything when you're working around the transformers. It's just better. Alright, I upgraded all the wires with some spade connectors to make it easier to work with. So now we're going to try and get that back in there. The circuit breaker. Alright. I think I'm going to put these wires on before I drop it down that slot where I could barely get into. What was happening was the bulb had blown, and that's the whole idea, is like the red light is supposed to come on as a warning signal. So I had to come in here, this one screw comes out, and this whole like tower piece of steel comes out, and there's the bulb up there. And so you'll see when I short circuit it, it'll come on, and it'll say short circuit. Okay, that's right. Now, actually no, we don't want it that way, we want it the other way. We want this one here. Yes. Yes. That's what we want right there. Okay, bear down on it. Now this one's going, even getting to the back of these transformers is difficult because I got them screwed in. I don't feel like screwing them out. But I think I can get this pretty easily here. Alright, that's on the transformer. Now, get the other transformer nut. Get that on the right way. Okay. Power from the transformer. Goes right there. Tighten it up. Trying to squeeze it in this little spot right here. I still don't like this spot. Okay, before I bolt it down to the table, we're going to test it. Okay, so now, as you can see, no red light on. Maybe I can get this a little lower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to short the track, and you'll see that red light come on. Okay, so power. And now I'm going to short the track with this screwdriver here. Well, maybe the other screwdriver. Okay, there you go. Works great. Then you're going to let it cool off for a second. Reset it. There you go. Eureka. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you, and it helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.